I have something to confess, and some of you guys are not going to like it. Okay, well, first of all, welcome to the channel. And just so you know, this is not clickbait. This is me being just honest and upfront and straightforward on something I want to share with you guys, right? Now, if you are subscribed to my channel, you know that I've been making videos for a long time. For the last 7 years, I made something like 1100 3D tutorials, all sorts and all kinds, right? Now, you probably don't know that making one of these videos is a lot of work. A 10-minute video can go up to, I don't know, a day and a half of work to get it all prepped and tested and edited and uploaded and all that kind of stuff, right? A lot of work. Now, because of that, and because of the number of videos I make, this is like pretty much a full-time job. Now, if it wasn't for these guys right here, right? I mean, based on what YouTube is paying, no chance in hell that I would be able to do that, right? Anyway, that's not the point. The point is this. So, because I make the videos for you guys, right, I try to facilitate you as best I can. If you guys need a certain type of video, you want animation videos, I'll do that. Rigging, texturing, lighting, I'll try to facilitate all of it. Now, what I found recently is that a lot of you guys were asking for Blender videos, and I did a 3ds Max video, and you know, the whole debate going on between Maya and Blender. And to be honest, I felt sorry for a lot of you guys. Autodesk is way too expensive, I can't afford Maya anymore, I'm moving towards Blender. Now the thing is this, because of that I said, okay, fine, what I'll do is I'll start making Blender videos. Now, here's the confession part, right? And before I talk about this, I want to make sure that I don't influence you in your choice. The thing I want to confess is this: I'm not a Blender guy, and I never will be. I mean, I have nothing against Blender. I think for those that use Blender, that's totally fine. It's not my thing, it's not my software. I gave it a try, but I just have to admit that it's not my software, right? I worked in tons of different software, videos that I made on my channel. I mean, 3D Coat, Marmoset Toolbag, Substance Painter, Marvelous Designer, Keyshot, all of that, all good. Blender, however, is for me like reinventing the wheel. I mean, I'm perfectly fine with Maya, and because I'm spending so much time on my videos, I decided, you know, Maya is going to be my main platform, right? I know that the Blender users out there, you know, are probably bummed about it. Sorry about that, guys. The thing is, I can never create a situation where I'll be able to make everybody happy. I got almost 125,000 subscribers, right? If I do Blender, people will hate me. If I don't do Blender, people will hate me. So I might as well use the software that I enjoy, right? So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. It doesn't mean that I'll never do a Blender video. On occasion I might, but for the main part it will be Maya, right? So let me know in the comments what you think. I know they say be careful what you ask for. I really want to know, but that said, I just have to be honest. If I need to be enthusiastic about what I'm doing in the videos, I have to stick with what I feel is good, right? So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you will still continue to watch my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Thanks.